Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Nutella pudding. This guide will help you create a wonderfully rich and creamy dessert with minimal effort. We will cover all the essential ingredients and walk through each step of the preparation process. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this incredibly easy and utterly delicious treat. It is perfect for a quick indulgence or a special gathering. For this delightful pudding, you will need just a few simple items. Start with 2 cups of whole milk to achieve that perfect creamy texture. Next, grab 1/2 cup of rich Nutella spread, which is the star of our show. You will also need 1/4 cup of granulated sugar to balance the flavors, and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch to ensure your pudding sets beautifully. Let's get cooking. First, in a medium saucepan, whisk together the cornstarch and granulated sugar. Slowly pour in the 2 cups of milk, stirring continuously to prevent any lumps. Place the saucepan over medium heat and cook, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens to a pudding consistency, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove it from the heat and stir in the 1/2 cup of Nutella until it is completely smooth. Once your pudding is ready, carefully pour the warm mixture into individual serving dishes or a single large bowl. To prevent a skin from forming, press a piece of plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the pudding. Place the dishes in the refrigerator and chill for at least 2 hours, or until the pudding is firm and cold. Serve this delightful treat chilled, perhaps with a dollop of whipped cream or a sprinkle of chopped nuts for extra flair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.